Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, welcome back to your online maths class. Students, in previous video we have complete a topic addition with caring. Have you complete all work in your maths book? Very good. And division also? Very good. Students, in this video we will start our new topic. Okay, so students, take your maths book and open page number 19. Now students, in this video we learn about subtraction with borrowing. Okay, so let's start our work. Students, in method of addition with carrying we take carry from ones digit. Okay, मीन्स हम कैरी लेते थे एडिशन विथ कैरिंग मेथड में हम कैरी लेते थे तो वंस प्लेस डिजिट से लेते थे ना. वेरी गुड. उसी तरह इन दिस मेथड सब्सट्रैक्शन विथ बोरोइंग वी टेक बोरो फ्रॉम टेंस प्लेस. ओके, अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? Look here. Like this, here we have two numbers 42 and 23. And students, one thing also, students, listen to me carefully. In subtraction, always we subtract smallest number to largest number. Okay, understood all of you? मीन्स हमेशा बड़े नंबर से छोटा नंबर ही सब्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं, ना कि छोटे नंबर में से बड़ा नंबर. ओके, नाउ लुक हियर. इफ हियर वी हैव दिस इज योर एग्जाम्पल. ओके, सो लुक हियर. राइट हियर ओनली फॉर योर एक्सप्लेनेशन. ओके, सो राइट हियर. सो लुक हियर स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट नंबर इज 42 and second number is 23. Now students, you should know that always in addition question and in subtraction questions we will start solution from ones na. So firstly we will subtract ones digit of ones place, and after ones place digit after we will subtract tens place digit. Okay, so look here students, in 42, so in 42 ones place, on ones place here 2 is. Okay, in second place 3. So students, look here, 2 is smallest from then 3. 2 is smallest than 3. Then now students, what do we do? So we take borrow from 4. Now students, listen to me carefully. यहाँ पर हमें वंस फर्स्टली सॉल्यूशन में हमें वंस सॉल्व करना है ना. देन 2 में से 3 माइनस नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज 2 इज स्मॉल नंबर. 2 से 3 माइनस नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे, 4 से एक बोरो यहाँ पे ले लेते हैं, मतलब 4 से एक टेंस यहाँ ले लेते हैं. 4 से एक टेंस यहाँ ले लेते हैं. जब टेंस यहाँ लेते हैं तो ये 2 बन जाता है 12. ओके, एंड जब 4 से एक टेंस हमने यहाँ ले लिया तो यहाँ पे एक नंबर कम हो गया ना, यहाँ रह जाता ओनली 3. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? अगेन लुक हियर, आवर फर्स्ट नंबर इज 42 एंड नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 23. सो फॉर सॉल्यूशन वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम वंस, एंड हियर 2 इज स्मॉलर देन 3. 2 इज 3 से छोटा है, सो 3 2 में से सब्सट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते. सो हम क्या करेंगे, 4 से 2 में एक बोरो ले लेंगे, जिसे 4 से 2 में एक टेंस ले लेंगे, जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं, बोरो. BORROW. ओके, एक ले लिया हमने बोरो. ओके, मीन्स टेंस ले लिया. जब हम 4 से 2 में एक टेंस लेते हैं तो ये 2 किस चीज़ में चेंज हो जाता है, 12 में. 2 किस चीज़ में चेंज हो जाता है, 12 में. ओके, अब हम 2 को भूल जाएंगे और 12 से 3 माइनस करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? वेरी गुड. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वन थिंग ऑल्सो, जब हमने 4 से 2 में एक बोरो लिया मीन्स टेंस लिया तो यहाँ पर 4 की जगह एक नंबर कम हो गया ना, बिकॉज हमने एक नंबर 2 को दे दिया. बिकॉज हमने एक नंबर 2 को दे दिया है तो 4 की जगह कम हो गया ना. लाइक दिस, इफ़ यू हैव 4 टॉफीज एंड योर सिस्टर हैव 2 टॉफीज. ओके, इफ़ यू हैव 4 टॉफीज एंड योर सिस्टर हैव 2 टॉफीज, देन अगर आप अपनी एक टॉफ़ी अपनी सिस्टर को दे दोगे तो आपके पास एक टॉफ़ी कम हो जाएगी ना, 4 से 3 हो जाएंगी ना टॉफीज. वेरी गुड. उसी तरह जब हमने 4 से एक टेंस मतलब वंस ना, टेंस हमने अगर 2 को दे दिया तो 2 तो 12 हो गया, बट 4 भी तो कम हुआ ना, क्योंकि हमने एक टेंस 2 को दे दिया तो 4 क्या हो गया, 3. ओके, नाउ our next number is means 3 and 12. Now we will subtract from first 4. Now we will subtract 3 subtract from 12. Now 3 subtract from 12. Here now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, now 3 cut 1 2 3. Now how many parts left? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we will get 9. Okay, now यहाँ क्या बचा, यहाँ क्या था हमारा, क्योंकि हमने 4 से एक टेंस 2 को दे दिया तो यहाँ हमारा क्या नंबर से बचा, 3. ओके, 3 इज लेफ्ट ना. देन 2 subtract from 3, so right here 1. Okay, understood all of you? Now one thing also, look here, one example also, one more example. Look here, students, I have not placed, so I write here. Okay, no need for you write this. Okay, next one, if we had 43 and 36, our first number is 43 and next number is 36. Okay, now what will we do, 3 is smaller than 6 ना, so take 1 tens. हमने एक टेंस लिया तो 3 क्या बन गया, 13. 3 को काट दो, 3 क्या बन गया, 13. ओके, अब हमने 4 से एक टेंस 3 को दे दिया तो 4 भी कम हुआ ना, तो 4 क्या बन गया, 3. ओके, नाउ सब्सट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम, अब हमारा न्यू नंबर क्या बना, 4 की जगह 3 एंड 3 की जगह 13. नाउ we will subtract 6 from 13 and 3 from 3. Now if we will subtract 6 from 13, then we will get 7. Okay, now here 3, now 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Understood all of you? How will you do these questions? Very good. Now students, let's start our work. Look here we have some questions, so we will do these questions with same method. Okay, so let's start. First one, first number is 26 and second number is 19. So we take borrow from 2 and here 16 and here 1. Now subtract 9. Now subtract 9 from 16, 7. Okay, so students, if we will subtract 9 from 16, then we will get 7. Now here, if we will subtract 1 from 1, then we will get 0. Okay, next one is, again we take a borrow. Here, if we will take 1s from 3, then here we will write 14. Okay, new number is 14. Okay, next number is, here is 3 na, then here 2 is left, then write here 2. Now subtract 8 from 14, then we will get 6. If we will subtract 8 from 14, then students we will get 6. Understood all of you now? Like this. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And if we cut 8 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts is cut them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 part is left now. So write here 6. Okay. And here 2 is left. So 1 is subtract from 2, then we will get 1. Understood all of you? Very good. Now next one is, here we have 13, because we take ones from 2, because we take tens from 2, so here is 13 and here 1 is left. So if we will subtract 5 from 13, then we will get 8, and here 1 is left and here is no number, so let here is 0, then write here 1. Okay, next one. Again 5 is smaller than 7, then we take one borrow, and so here is 15 and here 2 is left. So if we will subtract 7 from 15, then we will get 8. Okay, and here 2 is left, so write here 2. Understood all of you? How will you do these questions? Very good. Next one, here ones is 2 and 4, then 2 is smaller than 4, so take one tens, here 12. Okay, if we will subtract 4 from 12, then we will get 8, and here 3 is left, then if we will subtract 2 from 3, then we will get 1. Okay, next one, take one borrow from 4, then here 15 is here and 3 is here, then here if we will subtract 8 from 15, then we will get 7, and here 1 from subtract from 3, then we will get 2. Okay, next one, here 14 and here 4, then if we will subtract 6 from 14, then we will get 8, and if we will subtract 2 from 4, then we will get 2. Okay, next one, here 18, if we will take one tens, we have one borrow from 6, then here we get 18 and here 5 is left. Okay, so then if we will subtract 9 from 18, then we will get 9, and if we will subtract 3 from 5, then we will get 2. Okay, next one is, here 4 is smaller than 8, then we will need 4 borrow, so we will take borrow from 7, then here 14 is here and here 6 is left, then we will subtract 8 from 14, so right here 6. Okay, means we will get 6, and here 6 is left, then we will subtract 5 from 6, then we will get 1. Okay, next one, here we take borrows, then here 17 is here and here 7 is left, then if we will subtract 17 from if we will subtract 9 from 17, then we will get 8, and here if we will subtract 6 from 17, then we will get 1. So understood all of you students method of subtraction with borrowing? अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू ना कि सब्सट्रैक्शन में बोरो कैसे लेते हैं, टेंस प्लेस से. ओके, वेरी गुड. नाउ टर्न योर पेज. now students, here this is your page number 20 and here first one is done for us, so we will start from second. Okay, so let's start. If we take borrow from 4, then here we will get 14 and here 3. Then if we will subtract 8 from 14, then we will get 6, and if we will subtract 2 from 3, then we will get 1. Okay, next one, we take borrow, here we get 11 and here we get 6. Okay, if we will subtract 6 from 11, then we will get 5, and if we will subtract 2 from 6, then we will get 4. Okay, next one students, next one is here 0, so we will take borrow from 4, then here we will get 10 and here we will get 3. So if we will subtract 5 from 10, then we will get 5, and if we will subtract 2 from 3, then we will get 1. Okay, next one is, again we will take borrow, and here we get 10 and here we get 5. Okay, so if we will subtract 2 from 10, then we will get 8, and here if we will subtract 4 from 5, then we will get 8. 1. Understood all of you? How will you do these questions? Very good. So students, this is your homework. This is one line. Okay, and this one line is your homework. Okay, now do question P. Again, if we will take borrow from 3, then we will get here 13 and here 7. Okay, then if we will subtract 4 from 13, then we will get 9, and 5 from 7, then we will get 2. Okay, next one is, students, if we will take borrow from 9, then here we will get 14 and here 8. Okay, then we will get, if we will subtract 8 from 14, then we will get 6, and 7 from 8, then we will get 1. Okay, next one, take borrow, here 15, here 3, then if we will subtract 8 from 15, then we will get 7, and 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Next one, if we will take borrows, then 16 and 4, then here we will get 7, because if we will subtract 9 from 16, then we will get 7. And here 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Next one, 12 and here 5, and if we will subtract, now students, if we will subtract 3 from 12, then we will get 9, and here if we will subtract 4 from 5, then we will get 1. Okay, understood all of you? And students, this is also your homework. Okay, so do this work at your home honestly and carefully. Okay, understood all of you now this method? So students, these 2 lines and these 2 lines are your homework. So do this work at your home very honestly, okay, and carefully also, and students, write in good handwriting. Okay, and again I will tell you, write neat and clean and write in good handwriting. Okay, understood all of you, students? Firstly, do revision of this method, and after revision, complete your homework at your home and yourself. Okay, in next video we will check our homework. Okay, so students, complete your homework in your maths book and complete this work also in your maths book. Okay, so students, okay, bye, take care, have a nice day.